How to use Bumble Premium features. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Bumble app. Launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to use the Bumble Premium features, you need to head over to your profile. Tap on this profile icon in the bottom left. After you are in your profile page, over here in this yellow After you are in your profile page, over here in this yellow section, you can see this premium feature. Tap on this Explore Premium option. From here, you can explore through different premium packages. There are premium packages for 1 week, for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and lifetime. So you can go through it and select the package that you are interested in. You can see what are included. You can see what features are included within it. And if you are sure to purchase this Bumble Premium feature, you can simply tap on this. And if you're sure to purchase this feature, you can simply tap on the button at the bottom. So that's how you can easily use Bumble Premium features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.